In the rapidly evolving telecoms industry, innovative solutions are key to creating faster and more reliable mobile networks.
Hi, I'm Alex. Today we're talking about rethinking mobile front-haul architectures to transform mobile operators' 5G networks into a future-proof solution.
Building 5G networks is costly and complex. How can we streamline this process?
David, you raise a good point. Let's look at how Novalink simplifies network expansion. Mobile front-haul technology connects the active antenna processing units to the distribution unit and centralized unit, usually each with a single fiber. This causes a lot of infrastructural costs in the building process. Our aggregation devices simplify your network by reducing the necessary infrastructure to a single trunk fiber. The aggregation devices are crucial to optimize bandwidth usage, ensure low latency with their time-sensitive networking capabilities, and provide high quality of service.
Okay, that sounds promising, but what about flexibility of deployment?
Our device is ruggedized, weatherproof, and designed for flexible deployment on roofs, masts, or other structures. It decentralizes the network functions, moves the aggregation points closer to the edge, reduces costs, and improves service delivery.
It can really aggregate everything, everywhere.